Create stunning designs with the help of two elements: curved fills and shading and open fills. Together they add life and interest to a design. They are separate elements, but when combined give you stunning effects. The curved fills element has two styles: liquid fill, which has two baselines, as you can see in the wings of the Jabiru, and Florentine, which has one baseline, as in the magpie goose and the sun. Florentine has only one baseline. The sun uses the Florentine effect in conjunction with accordion spacing to give a graduated fill. The colour blending tool is a quick method of duplicating a design and applying accordion spacing and colour. Let's take a closer look. I will use simple shapes to demonstrate. First, curved fills. These baselines can only be added to tatami fill. The two shapes have been created with complex fill and complex turning. Select the complex fill object and then the Florentine icon, and immediately you can see a curve on the stitching appear. To alter the curve, select the reshape tool and edit the baseline of the stitches by moving or adding nodes. Remember the convention, right-click for curves. There are limitations on how radical you can make the curve. Remember, the embroidery machine has to stitch this. If you overstep the limit, the line will revert to a simple curve. As part of the colour blend tool, you now have an accordion tool that allows a graduated spacing. For this exercise, let's make the spacing range from 2mm to 4mm. Now we have two issues. The underlay is showing through, so let's turn that off, and the second is the travel runs can be seen. This can be remedied in some shapes by moving the start and finish points or applying the trapunto setting that forces the travel runs to the edge. The liquid fill has two baselines, which can give a 3D effect. Now let's look at the colour blend tool, which takes care of underlay and travel runs automatically. Starting with a tatami circle, which you can see has both underlay and travel runs. Select the object, then the colour blend tool from the toolbox. Select the base colour and choose the constant profile. Two objects have been created, the constant base and the accordion spaced on top. You can see the top layer has no underlay or travel runs exposed. The objects have been grouped. To edit either one, ungroup by right-clicking in the colour object list and selecting ungroup, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-U. Now you can easily change profiles and space settings. To create the shape with a curved fill, apply the curve first. Then apply the colour blending as before.